Hope lives always. Today is Easter Sunday, and it's not the Easter Sunday that any of us had in mind or that any of us anticipated. But Easter is a day that we recognize and remember that Christ lives and hope lives. What was going to happen today on Easter Sunday was a sunrise service, one of unity, where the church that I serve and other churches around the city would be getting together to have an Easter sunrise service at a minor league baseball stadium for the entire city. A display of unity among different denominations and different types of Christians. But that couldn't happen. But that didn't mean that we didn't get together. And that didn't mean that that kind of unity wasn't expressed. And so today, as an announcement that hope is real in the face of the very real crisis that we are facing, I want you to hear the sound of the church bells that I was ringing, mingled with the church bells of the other churches in our city, as we rang out as the sun rose at 6:47 a.m., that Christ lives and that hope lives. I hope in hearing those sounds, you are inspired. This problem that our world is facing is something that all of us are facing together. It is a unified crisis. And so our response and our clinging to hope should also be unified, like the sound of those bells ringing through the streets today. Because hope lives always.